Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Julie from Living Large on Lifetime, and tonight we're doing a cook with me and...
Me!
and...
Me, Todd, and Gabriel.
Yay! Tonight we're cooking for you guys a WW Thanksgiving dinner. What's the turkey look like?
This one.
That turkey, butterball, frozen.
So this turkey dinner is different because it's going to be WW friendly. Is
Yes.
that correct?
The whole Thanksgiving dinner is going to be under 20 points. Piece of cake. How are we cooking the turkey?
Oh, that's the best part. Our new awesome Cosori
Air
fryer.
Toaster oven.
That can make chicken
It's an air fryer toaster oven.
and turkey.
We're making a turkey in it. You
All
want to
right, let's show.
So this is a butterball turkey that you can cook in the bag, it says, which is interesting. This is a 12-pounder. It's a good size for a small family. Fits right inside there pretty good. Really easy controls, easy to navigate this puppy. So we'll let it cook for 3 hours.
At what temperature? 3 hours.
350.
3 hours at 350. Bye, turkey. Bye. So, obviously, we're having turkey with our Thanksgiving dinner. What else are we going to have, you guys?
We're gonna have a salad.
Sweet potatoes with mini marshmallows, of course stuffing, and homemade mashed potatoes with gravy.
Yay.
Good stuff.
Let's look at the ingredients and I'll tell you guys some points. Okay, mashed potatoes and gravy. Potatoes are on the Purple Plan 0 smart points. A quarter cup of this Heinz Homestyle roasted turkey gravy is 1 point. 1/4 a cup, 1 point. Not too bad. For the yams, we're gonna do are they yams or sweet potatoes?
Sweet potatoes.
I guess they're sweet potatoes. We're gonna make sweet potatoes baked with just a few marshmallows. So 10 marshmallows is only 1 smart point. So it's gonna be 1 smart point for the yams and 1 smart point for the mashed potatoes and gravy so far. These are only some of the ingredients that Gabe is going to use for his salad. We have bell pepper, tomato, cucumber, an apple, some raspberries, and spinach for iron. And then the last thing we're gonna make is this stuffing. Todd is disappointed that we have a generic stuffing, but generic stuffing is a 1/2 cup for 6 smart points. It's a little steep, but this is my favorite, so it's absolutely worth every point. The turkey is 0 points for turkey breast, all on the Purple Plan. So far we're at 1 point for the mashed, 1 point for the yams, 0 for the salad, and 6 for the stuffing. We're at 8 smart points.
That's right. It's going to be delicious.
Okay, Gabe, what's going in this awesome salad that you're making? Let's show
Bell
everyone.
peppers,
2 bell peppers,
an apple,
1 red apple.
raspberries,
Mmm,
1 and 1/2 of a tomato,
yeah.
carrots, and strawberries.
And I got all the green stuff. I got a green apple, a green zucchini, cucumber, some quinoa salad, which is not totally green, but the label's green. This quinoa salad comes from Target. It's delicious on your salad. He's like, and the last, biggest, baddest green ingredient is
This giant bag of
spinach.
spinach. And we got this at Target Costco from
$4.99.
$4.99.
Oh, what a steal. So that's what's going in the salad. Let's watch Gabe chop.
Hey, we're a little over 3 hours. I think I'm going to check on the turkey. We did move it up from 350 to 375 degrees, just so you guys know. Earlier I'd said 350, but we moved it up to 375. Okay, this is the challenging part. I
Whoa.
don't really know if I know what I'm doing. We'll do it together. Wowzers.
That looks awesome.
How are you gonna take it out of the bag if it's
Very
not?
carefully. Very carefully. Oh, man, I think it's only 12 pounds. I could handle a 20 pounder.
Did that tray come with the oven?
Huh?
Did that tray come with the oven?
Yeah, that's the bottom tray.
Cool.
And then there's like a rack you can like toast stuff on, and then there's the rotisserie, which clicks in. You just pop those off, and then there's
Cool.
another rack for. There's 3 different levels here: broil, then there's the toasting, and then down here on the bottom, which we did. This is baking and roasting. So. All right. Okay.
All right.
Turkey.
That's it, yeah?
That's it. We'll show you a final put together here with our Weight Watchers 20-point turkey
Less
dinner.
than 20
Less
points.
than 20-point Thanksgiving dinner.
This is our Thanksgiving dinner.
You've got turkey, 0 points. Stuffing, quarter cup, that's 3 points. Potatoes are 0. Gravy's a 1 point. Salad's coming in at 0 points. Yams are 0 points, but the marshmallows we're going to give 1. We went pretty light on the gravy, so we're going with this meal, 3, 4, 5 points. So that's a Thanksgiving meal for 5 points.
Thank you so much for watching.
If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you can. Please.
Happy holidays, everybody.
Bye.
Thanksgiving